Hi guys, my name is Shabaz Salim and you are start to watching my YouTube channel SAK Creations. So guys, welcome back to the channel and we are back with latest grand blouse designs. Okay, and right now we are in on the back and start to stitching some stone chain. We already stitching a little bit work already stitching like one sugar beads, one kasab lines, and right now we are using 7 number wooden needle and stone chain. When you start to stitching stone chain, you don't need to do fast. If you are a beginner, you do slowly, but you do quality work. Okay, when you maintain your quality, I think you go long. Okay, and now we are start to stitching some stone chain, a 7 number wooden needle, and downside we are using thread. It's a normal gold spectra thread, and I have one more suggestion for you guys. You need to use a slim thread, slim and strong thread. If your thread was thick and not good, so I think you will face lots of difficulties to do like this type of work. Okay, also remember, and if you want that type of needle and any type of needle, you do WhatsApp on the same number. My team will give you best needles. Okay, so right now we are in the back on the sleeves and maintain some drawing, because the drawing have a little bit problem between drawing. So right now we are fixing these are problem. Look at this all sleeves look like some waves type. Okay, look at this, some places printing not correct. So right now we are correct the printing, then we are start to stitching, because if your print was a good, so I think you make any type of designs like any type of leaf and any type of design. If your blouse designs printing are looking good and invisible. Okay, same as it is, we are doing all these sleeves work, then we are start to stitching other work, and now we also stitching some work on the top of the sleeves like sugar beads waves, and in these boxes we are stitching latest and new work. I'll show you with the next step. Okay, so right now we are start to stitching some 3 number moti in the downside of the sugar beads. Okay, look at this, we are maintain both line in a one time. First we are start to stitching some sugar beads line, then also we are start stitching this 3 number moti, both line we are maintain. And look at this quality guys. If you want this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. We also make your saris color combination and also make your body measurement same as it is. You just tell me how is your body size, and I want your full body measurement, then you just decide which color you want. You just tell me, I will make and send it to you with 100% good quality, because we also make good quality work. We never compromise with my quality, because my quality is my identity guys. Look at this, same as it is we are start to stitching, and same as it is then we are start to stitching 3 number moti. Wooden needle is a very important part of these blouse designs. Okay, so now we are start to stitching some long beads in the back neck. We also stitching in the back neck one sugar beads line and one 3 number moti and again sugar beads line. Okay, look at this, and now we are start to stitching some long beads. Okay, and in these needles have a maximum, we will fill these long beads maximum 4 to 5 long beads and that type. Look at this, one time we will fill the full needles, whole needles, then we are start to stitching. It's a very great idea to start stitching very fast. Okay, if you are a beginner, you don't need to do like this one, because if you beginner you need to use wooden needle, not a wood. Sorry guys, I'm a little bit confused because I'm not good in English, so that's why I will face most of the difficulties to pronounce the word. Okay,
blouse done
so
very fast.
This wooden needle is a very important
now we are
role,
to
and
I think as it is border on
needle was a very important
side,
role play in these designs. One 7
first,
number wooden,
you
one
need to
7
understand
number
your body
was
measurement. Then you
iron
start
needle,
to stitching,
and also one dotar
body
needle. Dotar needle is the most important thing, and also most important needle, because if you have dotar needle, so you make any type of thread work like zigzag and like some resham loads and other work. If you don't have this needle, so I think you will not do this type of work. Okay, so now we are start to stitching downside border on the sleeves. Okay, and we also show you everything part of part. Don't be confused guys, you just focus on the work and how I do this type of work, okay? And if you want any type of help, any type of, you just do WhatsApp on the same number, you just do WhatsApp. My team always help you and everything do for you guys, because we are always ready for your reply. And my team help lots of people to learn this work, because we have one aim, so learn easily from home. And if you are not adjustable in this learn is home, so I think you join my classes, sorry guys, you join my classes, then you start to learning easily, okay? So now we are start to stitching some unique load silk thread load, because we are using gold color combination color, and we also use one self color, okay? One sky blue and was also gold, and all kundan was a blue color, not divided by the color. We are using same kundans in all boxes. And look at this thread, and this is a dotar needle and very unique. Look at this work quality, and also look at this type of load. I think I honestly say you guys, you never seen that type of work before. Honestly, you tell me guys, you seen this work of any other time? Look at this work quality guys, see this work quality, very unique and very amazing work guys. And this is a totally of the work of this do tar needle. It's very important. If you want this needle, please do WhatsApp on the same number, my team will help you to buy these needles, okay? So now we are start to stitching other color. It's navy blue, because sarees have a 3 color, one also self, one gold and also one navy blue color. So I think navy blue is a perfect choice for these boxes, and one gold and one navy blue. Look at this, and we also divide this line up with both color, and look at this middle side was a line was free for gold color boxes, and we also stitching gold color boxes in right sleeves, and we are also start to stitching some navy blue boxes in the right sleeves. Look at this, okay? I'll show you. Look at this, and these also have a dotar needle, and it's looking some dirty needle, but in these are needle top of the we also fold some thread, because grip was a very important thing to stitching like this type. So when you buy these needle are totally nude, you need to fold these are needle with some thread, like thread thick thread. You fold these are total needle with the thick thread, then your needle was totally fast and very good for when you put these are needle in hand, okay? It's very good for beginner. Look at this, and this blouse design is taking lots of time. Now I'll just show you these full tutorials under 11 to 10 minutes, but guys, this design is taking too much time, maximum 2 days, okay? And right now we are start to stitching some booties on the back neck, and now we are using some gold color pan in the back neck, and now we are fixing this pan with some crystal sugar beads. Crystal sugar beads was too much expensive, it's very high price according to A star pot or other sugar beads, okay? Crystal pots have a one quality. I love this because of one quality, this quality called quality maintain. It's a long life sugar beads, it's a shineless, it's also look like same, all time look like same. You just need to care of your blouse. If you care of your blouse, so I think it's going long, very long, okay? So now we are using 7 number wooden needle, and fill these all gold color kundans with the sugar beads, okay? So same as it is, we are complete this all back, and then I'll show you the final blouse look. And if anyone want this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll give you the best quality with the best price guys. So look at this quality guys, and tell me how's the quality and how's the looking these of blouse designs, okay? Beautiful, I love these designs. If you want thread work, this is a best option for you, and it's also long life. And I want to tell you one more thing about like Aari hand Aari metal work and also thread work. thread work was a little bit high in the price, and metal work little bit down in the price. But thread work have one opportunities because it's going long life. Metal have a, if your metal was not good, so I think it's not going long life. Okay, look at this. And sorry guys, my gimbal was a little bit looking in this blouse design, so I'm sorry for that. Look at this U shape. And we also tell you guys, if you want any more option in the back neck, we also give you option like pot shape, U shape, round shape, square, and a temple shape. All type of neck available, guys. Okay, so please tell me guys, how's the design and how's the my explanation quality, and how's the my English. And if I'll do any mistake to my explain in my explanation, please forgive me guys, because I have no idea how I talk like this. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video guys. And if you want this blouse design, please do WhatsApp on the same number. Always welcome 24/7. You just do WhatsApp on the same number. I'll make and send it to you under 1 week. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. Love you so much for your love and support. Bye. If you're new, please subscribe and press the bell icon.